All right, this is ERD case number 0202000761. The complainant is Willie, Willie, Buford. Did you say, how did you say the last name, please? Mr.
Buford.
Buford, Mr. Buford, Buford. And the address, well, I'm not going to say the address, but it's on the record. We've got it here. And the respondent is Associates Building Maintenance. And the administrative law judge in this matter is ALJ DeLaO, DeLaO. For the complainant is appearing by his attorney. Is Mr. Buford coming?
Yes, he is currently sitting in our waiting room right now.
Okay, so I mean, he is able to participate throughout the hearing since he's the complainant. Is there a reason you weren't going to have him participate?
At the pre-hearing conference, you mentioned that you wanted the witnesses sequestered, and that included Mr. Buford. That's why he's not in the room.
Okay, I didn't intend it that way. I meant, okay, yeah, he can be part of the hearing, and he should be part of the hearing. So I'm gonna just wait while we do that. And I'm going to go off the record. I'm going to start the recording for this purpose. And then please remember to have me put the recording back on. If you look in the upper right hand, I think it's right hand corner, towards the top, you see a little red dot. That red dot means we're recording. When it's not on, it's not recording. Oh, okay. That was easy to bring him forth. All right. Mr. Buford, good morning.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning. Okay, so yeah, so let's begin again. Well, not completely again, but this is the case of Mr. Willie Buford versus Associates Building Maintenance. And the complainant filed a complaint on March 18th, 2020 with the Equal Rights Division of the Department of Workforce Development. The complainant alleged that the respondent violated the Wisconsin Fair Employment Act by discharging him because he opposed a discriminatory practice under the act, discharging him because he made a complaint under the WFEA, and discharging the complainant because he testified or assisted in a proceeding under the WFEA, which is also the act. In an initial determination that was issued on, well, this is an amended one. There was an initial one and then there was an amended one. So let's go with the amended because that's what I'm really working off of, which was issued on June 29th, 2020. An investigator for the division found that there was probable cause to believe that the respondent violated the Wisconsin Fair Employment Act, the WFEA, as alleged in the complaint, and this matter was certified to the hearing and mediation section for the hearing on the merits of the complainant's complaint. And the matter was set for hearing and is being held today by WebEx hearing process on May 24th, 2021. The hearing was set to start at 9 o'clock and it's now about 9:17. We had some problems with sound and other things like that, but we are now going forward. There may be some problems with Mr. Sultan's sound, but we will try to figure out how to get around that as time goes on. All right. So as I said, the matter is a merits hearing. Ms. Prosser, I keep saying it wrong. You told me it's Prosser, right? Okay, Prosser. Okay, I'm going to try to remember how to say it right. Okay. All right. So Ms. Prosser is, you said you're here, but you also said Mr. Baldwin, Timothy L. Baldwin is also present. Is that correct?
He should be coming in. I'm not sure where he is right now, but yes, he will be joining us.
Okay. So you had also indicated that you want to give an opening statement. I generally do not have opening statements because I usually am able to know what the case is about without that. So let me see. William F. Sultan, not signed in, is waiting in the lobby. Who's waiting in the lobby?
I'm going to be asking questions through my cellular telephone to try and improve the sound.
Okay. Okay, we'll see if that works. All right, Mr. Sultan, you want to say something? through your telephone? Why did
Yes,
you
can you
walk
hear me?
away?
All right.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you
Okay.
hear Miss Presser? Or Prosser? Prosser?
It was very quiet. Sorry,
Are
try
you able
again.
to- Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, but why are you off screen? You can talk through your telephone without and be on
Yeah.
screen.
Yes,
Just mute yourself on the other one.
Oh, there you are. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So you're going to be in different rooms. Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah, I think that's going to improve the sound quality when I'm asking questions.
Okay. All right. Okay. This is, yes, you sound better. You sound better. Then I appreciate that. At least no feedback. You'll have to speak up though to make sure we hear you. Okay. Mr. Sultan, are we moving again?
Sorry, I'm just gonna unmute the
I'm sorry, what?
He just unmuted my screen.
I have no idea what you're saying.
I said he unmuted my screen.
I just
Who
unmuted
unmuted?
Mr. Buford.
Mr. Buford is unmuted?
Yes.
Okay. I muted him. Okay, so now we're good.
All right.
All right. Is there any way for Mr. Sultan to have a telephone, if Mr. Buford to have a telephone? Because if he talks and that's the sound we're going to get, we'll get your question. We won't necessarily get his answer.
Oh,
The whole reason for the
actually,
pre-hearing was for us to check these things, and I'm not sure why we're having these problems today when the WebEx pre-hearing was for us to fix these problems and to make sure they were all right then. And why are we having a problem today?
I didn't know, well, I'll apologize. I didn't notice any issues during the pre-hearing, but I do have a phone in the other room, so I can connect him that way.
All right. Okay. Why don't we take a short break? I'm going to stop the recording and stop my video and my mute, and then we'll just come back when I see Mr. Sultan and that we see him on, we'll come back, okay? So stop, mute yourself and stop the recording.